Ladies and gentlemen, pleasant good afternoon. My name is Nassine Wheeler, and today's topic is climate change and its effects on humans. It is happening. The world is changing. It is now a global concern that the climatic changes occurring today have been speeded up because of man's activities. In a recent report based on the work of 2,500 scientists in more than 130 countries, the conclusion is that humans have caused the globe to change. The change that is being referred to is called climate change. It is therefore safe to say we are killing ourselves. Human beings are pouring more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere way faster than plants. As our climate changes, the risk of injury, illness, and death from the resulting heat waves, increase in mosquito infiltration, wildfires, intense storms, and floods rise. The impact of this climate change can be seen and felt in many countries of the world and has impacted the lives of millions. A 3D satellite picture of the Earth 10 years ago to the world now could be shown here to show how the Earth has changed. Here is a picture of how the Earth has changed. Now, let's look at the ways that climate change can and has impacted the lives of millions all over the world. The World Health Organization cites that climate change caused 150,000 deaths in 2003. Most of these deaths have resulted from mosquito-borne disease in poor countries where public health is not systematically controlled. Scientists have concluded that as the climate warms, the territory where mosquito thrives will expand, putting more people at risk. Among the 2,700 species of mosquito in the world, 3 are the most dangerous and are carriers of diseases. The Aedes, the Anopheles, and the Culex mosquito are the 3 most dangerous types. The Aedes causes dengue fever, the Anopheles causes malaria, and the Culex causes diseases like the West Nile virus, malaria, filariasis, and encephalitis. This is a picture of the Aedes mosquito. Here we see the Anopheles mosquito. And thirdly, the Culex mosquito. It has been known for a while that warming temperatures could help certain diseases to thrive, mosquito-related diseases being one such. Malaria, which kills about 650,000 people a year, thrives in the hot and humid areas where the Anopheles mosquito can live. As the climate warms, the territory where the mosquito and malaria parasites live will likely expand, putting more people at risk. Climate change is already affecting extreme weather. The National Academy of Sciences reports that the hottest days are now hotter, and the fingerprint of global warming behind this change has been firmly identified. High temperatures, especially when combined with high relative humidity, persisting for several days, have been the experience of several cities across the world. Here in the United States, the USA Today reported on June 27, 2013, that temperatures could near 130 degrees in some spots of the desert Southwest. States like Arizona, Nevada, Texas, and all experiencing an increase in temperature. Soaring temperatures of this magnitude, a result of climate, can result in death due to heat waves. Natural disasters have increased with intense ferocity. The year 2013 saw a record number of tornadoes in the United States. Lives are being lost unnecessarily because of these disasters brought on by climate change. Record floodings have been reported in parts of the United States, and again we see the sufferings and death brought onto human life and property. Our water tables are threatened as contaminated water from acid rain seep into our clean water tables and contaminate same. The year 2013 has also seen a record number of wildfires. Hot, dry, and gusty conditions continue to exacerbate wildfires throughout the western United States on August 24, 2012. In Northern California, one of the areas most severely affected, several fires burned, destroying several dozen homes and threatened hundreds of others. Smokes from these fires pollute the atmosphere, causing respiratory illnesses. I am sure by now we see how our actions are indeed killing us. Climate change is the biggest issue of this generation, and still many of us know too little about it, and harm has been caused to human health. It is your future. It is my future. It is your children's children's future that is at stake. I implore you all, make it your duty to be informed about the impact of climate change and the impact it has on our health. Thank you.